Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest products to enhance your beauty and wellness routine. Today we're reviewing the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart Premium Aluminum Tattoo Tray Rolling Trolley. This versatile utility cart is designed for professionals in salons, clinics, spas, and tattoo studios. The FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart is constructed from food-grade aluminum alloy, offering anti-corrosion properties, high hardness, and resistance to high temperatures. This ensures durability and ease of cleaning, making it suitable for various professional environments. The cart features a spacious top plate measuring 17.71 inches, providing ample space for your tools and supplies. Its 5-star large base plate enhances stability, reducing the risk of toppling compared to other designs. One of the standout features of this trolley is its adjustable height mechanism. With a tension knob on the pedestal, the height can be adjusted from 27.5 inches to 43.3 inches, accommodating different tasks and user preferences. The high-quality casters allow for 360-degree rotation, ensuring smooth mobility across various floor types. This flexibility is particularly beneficial in dynamic work settings, where movement is essential. In terms of performance, the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart excels in functionality. Users have reported that it rolls smoothly across floors and is easy to assemble. The tray's design facilitates easy sanitization, which is crucial in maintaining hygiene standards. The sturdy construction ensures that it can handle the weight of various tools and supplies without compromising stability. Pros of the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart include its sturdy and durable construction, ease of assembly, and versatility in use. The adjustable height and flexible casters add to its user-friendly design. However, some users have noted that the tray is not very deep, which may be a consideration if you require more storage space. When compared to similar products on the market, the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart offers competitive features at a reasonable price point. Its combination of durability, adjustability, and mobility makes it a strong contender in its category. Considering its quality, durability, and features, the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart offers good value for its price. It's an investment that can enhance the efficiency and organization of your workspace. The build quality of this cart is commendable. The use of aluminum alloy ensures a lightweight yet sturdy structure. The smooth finish and attention to detail in design reflect a commitment to quality craftsmanship. User-friendliness is a key aspect of this product. The adjustable height and flexible casters make it adaptable to various tasks and environments. The easy assembly process and straightforward design contribute to a hassle-free user experience. Customer support for the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart has been reported as responsive and helpful. Users have noted prompt responses to inquiries and assistance with any issues encountered. In real-world testing, the cart has proven effective in various professional settings. Its stability and mobility have been particularly beneficial in dynamic environments like salons and tattoo studios. Since its initial release, there have been no significant updates to the product. However, its current features remain relevant and effective for its intended use. In conclusion, the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart Premium Aluminum Tattoo Tray Rolling Trolley is a reliable and versatile addition to any professional workspace. Its sturdy construction, adjustable height, and mobility make it a practical choice for those seeking efficiency and organization. This product is ideal for professionals in salons, clinics, spas, and tattoo studios. Its versatility and functionality cater to a wide range of needs, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Regarding longevity, users have reported positive experiences with the cart's durability over time. Its robust construction and quality materials suggest that it can withstand regular use without significant wear. While the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart offers excellent features, there are alternative options available at lower price points. It's advisable to compare features and reviews to determine the best fit for your specific needs. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you already own it.